Hey guys, so I wanted to make a quick video because I wanted to talk to you about the fact that I've been gone for like 3 months. And if you follow me and on here on YouTube and on Instagram, then you probably saw my posts about what was going on. Sorry if you can hear that. One of the neighbors is, I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, I was out for like 3 months and I did not have corona, but I was sick and I was in the hospital. I was basically in bed for 3 weeks in the hospital, barely moving or getting up at all. So I lost 12 pounds in muscle mass. So like even going upstairs was hard for me. I'm back now where I feel a lot more normal. Because I was on antibiotics, it kind of ruins your immune system, and because we're in a pandemic, that means that I'm a compromised immune system person. So I couldn't really go anywhere. Still don't want to go out in public at all, but I move around the house now. I'm not 100% quarantined like I have been. I kind of go out into the other parts of the house now. But I was quarantined into the bedroom for quite a while. I was giving myself my own IV antibiotics. So I had to do that for 3 weeks here after I got home from the hospital. I was in the hospital for 3 weeks. And then I went back to the hospital for like another week. It was a hot mess. So basically, what I'm getting at is I was gone for quite a while and I'm back. And I'm gonna start making videos again, and I missed you all a ton, and I hope you guys are doing really, really well. I hope everyone's staying safe. Please, please be careful because you don't want to get sick. Even the flu right now, I feel like is a different kind of flu, and you just need to be really careful. You don't want to be in the hospital. You don't want to have oxygen. You don't want to have surgeries or be on lots of medications or antibiotics for that matter. You just got to be careful right now. It can happen to anybody. I was super careful. I've always been really, really careful and been really super healthy with my diet and everything. Didn't matter. So it's all what you get exposed to. It just happens. So you have to be careful. So I just hope you all are staying safe. Now that things are opening back up, it doesn't mean that things are better. They're not. It's just the economy needs things to be open, so please make sure that you're still being cautious. That's my advice. You don't want to be in the situation I was in. It was not fun. It was scary and it was terrible. So my goal is to have some videos coming up where I'm going to be making a lot of things, doing some thrift flips. They're thrifted things I've had for a long time, or they're things I bought thrifting and wore for a while and then I wanted to change it, or just things I bought right away and was like, oh, I want to make something out of it. So I have like a huge pile of that, and I have some mending, and then just a couple things I want to make from scratch. Like this dress right here, I got it on Urban Outfitters. This is like a baby doll dress. I don't think you guys can really see it, but it's a baby doll dress. It's kind of loose. And I'm going to need things that are looser like that. I can't wear like my high-waisted jeans or anything right now. So I want to try to make this dress, like copy this one and make a pattern out of it, and then make other dresses like that aren't quilted and heavy, because this one is kind of quilted in like a heavier fabric. And the reason why I bought it is because I thought I was going to have to go back into the office for work, and I can't have tight things on my rib cage right now. I have nerve damage, and basically the bones are very sensitive, so I can't have anything really touching and tight. So I bought this dress because it was roomy and it's super comfortable. So I'm going to use this dress as a pattern and try to make some other ones for myself, and then just some flips. So be watching for those. Make sure you subscribe so you get notifications when I put up the new videos. And I just really hope that everyone is doing well. and that you're all safe and being able to keep in contact with your families and just, staying positive, because that's a big thing right now. I'm glad you're here, and I appreciate you guys waiting around for me to come back. I would love to hear from you down below in the comments, because it's just like great to hear from everybody and see how everyone's doing. I want to hear what you do in your spare time and what kind of fun things have you learned? Have you learned anything new? Yeah, just stay connected. That's important. Thank you so much for checking in and watching and for waiting patiently while I was out. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.